Hey guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I am going to show you the exact placing of your concealer. So it will be like where you need to apply your concealer. Your concealer is really very important in your base makeup. It even outs your blemishes and it even outs your skin tone also, and it gives you very nice and perfect base for your makeup, and also it gives you very nice and flawless finish. So yes, if you want to know how I achieve my glamorous base, then please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, now let's begin into the video. As you guys can see, I have done my foundation and I have done my brows also, and now we'll move with the concealer. And for the concealer I am going to take Elegal Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and this is how it looks. Firstly, we'll apply concealer on our under eye area where you can see your dark circles, any uneven skin tone, any blemishes on your face. So it even outs everything. And for the concealer, you need to take the same shade or just a shade lighter than your skin tone, and that will be perfect. So it can cover your under eyes and can cover your blemishes really very well, and it seems like natural skin. So what we are going to do is we are just going to apply the concealer firstly on our under eye area. And guys, we have to make a triangle on our under eye area, so we'll just go very slowly. So first thing will be you just have to line nearby your nose starting from your eye, and then directly you have to go till the end of your eye. You guys can see, and then slowly you have to cover your under eye area. So this is your one triangle. I'll just do another one also. You have to just line. So this is how your triangle looks. Then we'll conceal the uneven part. Also, we will cover our end of the nose very lightly. End of the lips. On your chin. On the bridge of the nose. And your forehead. So we'll let the concealer sit on our under eye area for a few minutes. At the time we'll just blend a lip area. Guys, you have to just pat the product. Don't just swipe from the place where you have applied the concealer. See guys, on the bridge of the nose, on our forehead, and now we'll move on our under eye area. Also, we'll go over our eyelid area so we can get a base for our eyeshadow. and you guys can see the difference, how nicely it has covered my under eye area, and it is looking really very flawless. You guys can see I'm just patting the brush. I'm not swiping like doing this way. I'm just patting it really very well so the product blends. Once we are done with the brush, we'll move with the beauty blender or a sponge. Guys, you can go with a beauty blender or you guys can go with a brush, whichever is available with you. I'm going with both the things, so if there is any excess product under my eye, so it catches and it covers it. Guys, we'll also apply the concealer onto our inner brow area, like brow bone area, and the upper brow area, so you can get that nice sharp brows. And I'm just taking the same concealer which we have applied on your under eye area, and I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm just taking the excess product which is there on the tip, and yeah, that's it. What we're going to do is we're going to line. And we'll just blend it with the beauty blender. Also, here's an informative tip that if you guys have a redness near your cheek area or near your nose area, all over your face, then what you can do is you guys can take a green corrector to cut it out. And if you are a great dusky skin tone, so if you want to cover your dark circle, so what you can do is you guys can take an orange or a reddish corrector, so it cuts your darkness into your eyes or the area which you want to cut. So if you are a fair skin tone, then you guys can go the peach color corrector, so that will be great for your skin tone also. So I hope this concealer video will be helpful for you guys, and if it does, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.